Hey guys, Nick Espinoza, your Chief Security Fanatic here, and today I'm bringing you some really interesting news. And cyber criminals have come up with a new concept of how to get you infected or to steal information from you and anything like that. It's actually a social engineering technique, so they can take an existing picture of you, and thanks to AI and all that kind of stuff, they can pretty much plant your head onto somebody else's head and create a fake porn video with you, and then send you a message saying, hey, did you see the fake AI video, or did you see the AI porn video that you're starring in? And then you think, oh my God, I have to click on the link and look at this, and boom, infection. And so the magic of all the computer graphics and everything that we have today is that this is very easy for them to do. They can script it and automate it. It's not like they're sitting there taking time, creating all these different movies for everybody else. They're just ripping through all the pictures and stuff. So make sure that you are very aware. If you see that you are getting a message like this that says, hey, did you see your AI porn video? Do not open it. Do not click it. Delete it if you can, or flag it, or whatever you need to do in your social media, because it is fake and it is going to get you in trouble in terms of hijacking and connections. Also, make sure your privacy settings for social media are locked down to private, so nobody that isn't a friend of yours is actually able to see your pictures and all of that kind of stuff. So on my own Facebook and social media, other than my public stuff, I don't actually have pictures as my profile picture. There's nothing to put up there that would incriminate me, quote unquote. So make sure you are just keeping good sense online and you're aware of all this stuff. And as always, you can like, share, follow me here on Facebook and Twitter @NickAESP. And as always, stay safe and stay online. Thanks, guys.